People who cut you off during an ongoing conversation are outright rude. Whether in the workplace, at school, or in public, there are constructive ways of handling the situation without resulting in a negative outcome. In this video, you'll learn how to handle the situation confidently, which will leave you feeling empowered and in control. Let's get started with a scenario. The coffee shop interruption. You and your friend are having a conversation at a busy coffee shop. An assertive and loud individual at the adjacent table overhears and rudely interjects.
I know that place you're talking about, and it sucks. I don't know why anyone would want to go there. They can't be right in the head.
Sharing their unsolicited opinions or personal stories without an invitation, disrupting your private discussion. Have you been in a similar situation? Here are 8 ways to deal with this issue. Acknowledge their presence. Smile and make eye contact to acknowledge their interruption, which can convey that you're being attentive. Use a polite gesture. Raise your hand slightly or make a small friendly wave to signal that you'll get back to them after you finish your current conversation. Engage briefly. Politely respond with something like, "Thank you for your input. We're in the middle of a conversation, but we'll get back to you shortly." Set boundaries. Gently assert your need for privacy by saying, "We'd like some time to chat, but we appreciate your interest." Redirect the conversation. Politely steer the assertive person back to their own topic by saying, "It's great for you. We're going to continue our discussion." Use humor. Lightly diffuse the situation by making a humorous comment like, "We're like a talk show here. We'll get to your segment in a bit." Return to your conversation. After acknowledging the interruption, turn your attention back to your friend and continue your discussion. This signals that you're not willing to let the interruption dominate your conversation. Lastly, use non-verbal cues. If words don't suffice, maintain a friendly but firm demeanor, such as maintaining eye contact with your friend, so the interrupting person gets the message that you prefer to continue your conversation without them. Using this approach conveys a few key points. Politeness. The response maintains a polite and respectful tone, making it clear that you're not dismissing the interrupter, but simply pausing your conversation momentarily. Boundary setting. By explaining that you are in the middle of a conversation, you establish a boundary while also indicating that you intend to return to your original discussion. This communicates your desire to maintain your privacy. Commitment to engage. The phrase, "We'll get back to you shortly," implies that you are willing to engage with the interrupter, but need some time to finish your current conversation. It offers them the opportunity to participate when you're ready.
Oh.
This approach balances politeness with assertiveness, ensuring that the interrupter feels acknowledged and respected, while also maintaining control over your conversation. It's a diplomatic approach to managing an interruption in a public setting like a coffee shop. Remember to stay calm. Don't let emotions rule the situation. Many people would just glance over or ignore the interruption. Some may react aggressively or respond rudely in return. Managing emotions in the situation of a coffee shop interruption is crucial for several reasons. Maintaining respect. Keeping emotions in check ensures that you maintain respect for both your friend and the interrupter. It's essential to show respect for your friend's conversation and also demonstrate politeness and consideration toward the person who interrupted. Even though they are rude, you don't have to be, as they don't dictate your behavior. You have enough confidence to control the situation. Conflict avoidance. Responding with emotional restraint reduces the likelihood of escalating the situation into a conflict. Emotional outbursts or confrontational responses can make the interruption more disruptive and may lead to a negative encounter. Preserving social harmony. In a public setting like a coffee shop, maintaining a calm and composed demeanor contributes to overall social harmony. It helps ensure a pleasant and respectful atmosphere for everyone present. Effective communication. Emotions can cloud effective communication. By managing your emotions, you can convey your message more clearly and effectively, which is important when setting boundaries or inviting the interrupter to join your conversation. Conflict resolution. If the interrupter becomes confrontational or hostile, your emotional control can be a valuable asset in resolving the situation peacefully. Personal well-being. Managing your emotions helps maintain your own emotional well-being. It prevents stress and frustration from overtaking the situation and allows you to continue enjoying your time with your friend. Managing emotions in this situation is important for maintaining respect, avoiding conflicts, preserving social harmony, facilitating effective communication, resolving conflicts peacefully, and safeguarding your own emotional well-being. You can take charge and be in control. This will earn you respect while building your confidence. Respond below in the comments if you agree or disagree. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to this series on building self-confidence. These tips can help you feel ready for any of life's experiences. When we are confident, we're more likely to stand up for ourselves, gain respect, establish boundaries while moving forward with people and new opportunities, and not back away from them. I hope these confidence tips helped you, and be sure to explore our other videos.